Hi, Damien here, and in this particular training video we're going to talk about Colonial windows. And before we get on to how we actually clean the Colonial windows, as you can see, are the style of glass that is not one big complete pane of glass. It's say for example with this door, it's broken up into 12 or 15 smaller panes, so a different technique is required for the cleaning of these. A smaller squidgy for one is integral to that. So Mark will now demonstrate how we do it at high range and how we really deliver a nice clean result with Colonial glass.
Alright, so if your mop doesn't fit into the necessary window, you can just use the tip. Does make a bit more mess, but you want to get the window, give it a good scrub. Okay, then grab this can be a damp cloth, doesn't have to be necessarily dry, and clean the outside of the frames. And now grab your small squeegee and squeegee off. You will leave some water left on, not with the towel that you used because that one was wet, but with a dry towel you can go back through and just polish off the little bits that you leave there. It is quite finicky to do the actual windows. It is time consuming, but just got to keep on doing it and making sure that you're capturing everything in the window with the actual squeegee. If they are too small to use the squeegee, then spray and wipe would be preferred. With spray and wipe, again, there'll be a video on the spray and wipe. Just make sure you have a look at that to reference on how to spray and wipe properly. But again, once that's all done, using a dry towel to finish off, making sure that frame's nice and clean, and yeah, that's all done.
And what about the time, Mark? So obviously with smaller panes and lots of them, you wouldn't be expected to finish this as quickly as you would one complete.
Not at all. Yeah, no, exactly right. It is more time consuming, but if you do a good job, they will look really good at the end of the day. If you rush it and leave bits of streaks everywhere, they're not going to look the best. So just kind of take your time and do it. But after a while, you'll learn how to do it in a nice rhythm. Once you get the rhythm going, you can do them all day long. Thanks guys, enjoy the other videos.